Yo, there she go in the flesh, y'all. We got Josh here. And you know if we got Josh right not too far, you got Randall in the house. What's going on? What's up?
We're here from TWT TV.
TWT TV in the house, y'all.
Venice,
You gotta stand over there. You gotta stand over there with your wife, man. Here, well, we're not in Sarasota. We're actually in Venice. But they represent TWT TV, y'all. Yo, we here at this beef joint, man. The Vienna beef, right? Tony, Chicago. This spot right here originated in Chicago, and they get all their supplies from Chicago. And it's pretty packed out here, man. Right now it is happy hour, and there's a lot of people out here, man, and it's about to go down. We're gonna check out their hot dogs right here. Let's check it out. And look, they got their food over there. We got Josh in the house and Randall. Okay, I'm ready.
So that's the Chicago and the Chicago.
Oh yeah.
This is Chicago Fire right there with the peppers, right? Or is that one?
That's
that's jalapeno?
No, that's a Serrano, actually.
Oh yeah?
That looks good.
So these are both of the Chicagos, man.
Okay.
That's the chili.
Other stuff.
That's the slaw.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
those peppers on the Chicago one are sport peppers.
Those are sport peppers?
Yeah, I don't know if you've had a pepperoncini before.
Yeah,
but
pepperoncini, yeah.
Yeah, they're similar to that. Just
Okay.
a little bit more of a kick.
Right.
But
And these and which ones are these?
Those are the hot jardinera. That's a Serrano pepper mix with carrot, celery.
And y'all heard the rundown. Here is the lowdown right here. That's the lowdown. That's the lowdown right there, y'all. We about to go in. First, I'm gonna try these Chicago dogs first, y'all. Here we go, man. I'm going into this one right here first. Look at that, man. Hold up, got that red hot dog. The reason I bit a little piece, because it look like those hot dogs that have a snap. It has a little snap, man. And I only bit a little piece, and I taste some hot spices already. Let's check out this pepper. That's vinegary hot. I like that. What say you, Rhonda? How is it?
So that's really good.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I'll give it a 9.
Rhonda's giving it a 9, y'all. She's straight up from Newark, New Jersey, right? I'm gonna say that's the center of hot dogs, man. She give it a 9. Yo, we still got team number 3 over here. What say y'all?
Yeah, I say about a 9.
Y'all went in 2 of them so far?
Yeah.
Okay. And y'all say it's a 9 too?
Yeah.
Yeah. 8.5 now.
Oh, what do you want?
Yeah.
Look, man, I don't like them. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna eat the rest of them though. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yo, I'm gonna go ahead with them too, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give it an 8.99. But I've only eaten one so far. Let me get into the others. All right, we're gonna go in to the other Chicago, y'all. It's got like pickles and peppers and tomatoes. Okay, I don't know what's going on, y'all. But the first one I ate, I like better than that one. Maybe it's the peppers and everything that was on here too, but this one has these little... Let me try it again, y'all. I'm gonna try it without the pickle.
Look at that chili right there.
I've never had a pickle with a hot dog.
Right there.
That's spicy, hold up.
You want to get 30 bucks? Yeah, chili dogs.
What threw me off was this pickle.
Okay.
Pickle gives it a whole different taste. I like it without the pickle. We're gonna move over here to the slaw and the chili
I
dog.
like the chili.
Oh, that's really spicy.
It's the cumin. It's the cumin.
This chili is good. This is fresh chili right here.
I got TWT TV over here. She just used a deep word for us, y'all. Cumin. How do you spell that? Human.
You know what I really like about their
What you really like about that? Hold up, start that again. What'd you say?
You know what I really like about their hot dogs? There's no gristle.
No gristle.
I
Oh,
can't stand a hot dog with
I like
gristle in
I
it.
like the bun.
You know the gristle and the
toasted bun on
bone
it.
fragments? Like, I don't like
It's
that.
good.
But
whoa.
this is
She
a
said she
good
don't like the
meat.
bone fragments in her hot dogs.
Or the gristle.
Word is born, y'all. I ain't never seen no bone. When you see bone in the hot dog,
That means
Yeah.
that's a grade F. That's a grade F hot dog. That is not grade A meat. That is grade F meat that you were eating.
Yeah.
she said that's grade F, y'all. Got the gristle and everything in it. You bite into the hot dog and go, moo. Or oink. Well, don't let it go oink, oink. Okay, I'm done. All right, y'all. We're going to put the chili. Got the chili and onions on there. And then I'm going to put a little mustard on there.
Soda?
Yeah, no more coffee. But those
Y'all get the
pickles,
chili?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
chili's good. I like the chili.
You can taste that cumin. I think that's what that is. That aftertaste is the cumin.
Would you rate the chili, Matt?
It's smooth.
I'm gonna give the chili. I'm gonna give the chili a 7.5.
7.5. Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead. I said what I said, 8.9 on these. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a 9, y'all.
Yeah.
The first two Chicago ones I ate,
Oh.
and it's interesting, right, that this place started in Chicago and they calling these the Chicago, so I can see why maybe I like these more. I'm gonna try the slaw one now. We about to get into the slaw. This the slaw dog right here, y'all. Check it
I don't
out.
want to take too much of it.
That's all it is too. It's a slaw dog. It's a slaw dog.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, it's got that sweetness. It's nothing that kick out. The hot dogs are good, y'all. It's the same hot dog on everyone. The hot dog is good. But having coleslaw on top of my hot dog, I'm not for that.
The chili at 8?
I gave the chili 8.
Okay.
They got the poppy seeds on there though, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pass the drug test now when I go back tonight. I'm on a road across country trip. They're gonna be like, I knew it. I knew it. It's been all green screen.
What you think? That's why we had to switch cameras.
So we're here with some YouTubers, y'all, that bought the camera that was full with them. Look, I gotta mess with y'all. Hold up, y'all. They bought some cameras, right, and they forgot to bring their chip with them.
Yeah.
Oh, I worked off the cloud. I probably
It's in the cloud.
It's in the cloud.
Yeah.
I used to show up to wedding gigs with no batteries, man. So you know I was buying batteries on site. You know how much batteries cost when you're in a rush buying batteries? Go to a bodega and try to buy some batteries. I kid you not, they $500.
Look. Yeah.
This your man, Matt DV. Nobody told you they love you today. You are hanging with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. Hey, I love you cats, man. We love y'all.
Love you guys.
Love
Thanks
y'all.
for tuning in.
We appreciate it. Peace. Trendsetter.
Trendsetters in the house,
Matt
y'all.
TV.
I'm gonna go ahead and eat the rest of this 4 hot dogs. For those that be like, yo, you don't be eating enough, that's 4 hot dogs. I ate half of those 2.
We split them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish up those. It'll be a done deal. I'll see you guys wherever I land next. Peace.
Yeah.